Well, I just shot a whole tour video without a microphone on, so let's do this again tomorrow morning.
Here we have it, another beautiful build by Freedom Vessel, me. Anyway, this is a big project that I undertook. I shipped this van an empty shell from Denver and brought it all the way here and rebuilt the whole entire thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick tour.
And it's a piece of junk right now. Well, the camper part is. The van engine's all been rebuilt and ready to rip. And I am going to build this thing out. So about the only thing going for it is the toilet. And we'll see what happens, dude. It's going to be fun. So fun. Stay tuned. This could be yours.
So this is a 1971 Dodge Tradesman. It has a 318 engine on it. We went ahead and reseated the valves. We rebuilt the exhaust manifold, all new engine seals, gaskets. It's got a new carburetor. It got a new fuel tank. It got a new fuel pump, fuel lines. It's got a new spark plugs, tune-up, all the jazz. Went through the whole thing. It is ready to rip. We've got 16-inch tires on it, Firestones. Side view here, not much to talk about other than this killer custom stripe. It does have a large propane tank right here, but it's not connected to anything, so it's just there. Someone could connect it to stuff if they wanted to. And in the back of the van, it's just the entryway. We also have a exterior shower port with a quick release. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. All right, so on the back of this van, a lot of the vans that I build are used as surf vehicles, coastal vans, cruisers, and so a lot of people like to rinse off. I guess it could also be used to clean off your dog, or shower off after a long mountain bike or a hike if you're in the woods. But pretty much have a little shower here, rinse station, and it's a quick release, and so you can just kind of keep this, keep this in the back of your van, and then connect it when you need it. All right, come on into the camper. Before you jump in, I'll show you the rear camp light. This is great for when you're cleaning up camp at the end of the evening or after sunset. So I'll go ahead and talk to you a little bit about this camper. It's going to be kind of hard to tell you everything about it because I actually built the whole entire thing. It was nothing but an empty shell when I got it. And so all this is all freshly built, freshly painted, and just kind of brand new essentially. So I'll go ahead and tell you about it. All right, so I'm just gonna open some windows here, but this is a bathroom. It's called a wet bath, so it has a shower and it has a toilet in it. And then I have a little piece of wood there in case somebody wants to make a different table, like a smaller table that matches the countertop. So then I have a bed here that pulls out. This is a pulls out and it has legs. So this is a bed area. And then you have upper cabinets here. These upper cabinets are all lined with carpet and super clean up here. Then we've got undermount lights. These lights are really cool because they change hue and they are dimmable. So you can make them different hues and dim them down, set the vibe a little bit. We have a stove and an oven here and a new countertop sink station here with water. We've got drawers here for your silverware. These drawers lock in place so they don't fly open when you drive. And you've got some more storage underneath. And one of my favorite features of this camper van is this bodega cooler. It's a 12-volt cooler freezer combo. It runs off the solar. This vehicle has a tremendous solar capacity and battery with a lithium, and I'll tell you more about that. So this van got some seat belts. These are not like CHP, highway patrol approved, but they are seat belts to keep you comfortable and your kids kind of strapped down if you want them to be. But underneath here, it's kind of hard to pick up. I'm gonna show you guys a different clip, but this is where all the solar and battery is housed. It's a lot easier to get to when you take the cushions off. And then right here we have a USB charger for your phone And then you have power inverter, which you turn on here, and then that makes this outlet work so you could charge your laptops or whatever. And then over here is the water pump. As it's labeled, this is the water pump. And when you have the water pump on, that's what makes your shower work and your toilet and your sink. And so on this side we have the plumbing. And so I can show you guys quickly kind of the plumbing zone. We have a new tank, the exterior fill port, the water pump, the accumulator. It's all PEX plumbing. So I went with this lagoon table mount so you can kind of lock it into position when you have it how you want it. If you wanted to do some work or play some cards, and then if you wanted to have like a larger table with more people sitting around it, you can open it like this, and then this piece of wood here actually lays down on these support beams, and that's what makes this area become a bed. So there's a bed here and a bed there. So then when you're not using this table, you kind of swing it out of the way however you want. Kind of figure out which way works best here. And then you can kind of lock it into that position so it doesn't fly around when you're driving. Up top is an opportunity to put a mattress or a foam pad for a child to sleep, or storage for your camping stuff. All the floors are redone. Like I said, everything's new. This is Traffic Master vinyl plank flooring. And then the front of the chassis has got really vintage blue, upholstery vibe decor. It's all original. And the van odometer has 97,000 miles on it. It's got the original AM radio. It's got the high beam button on the floor there. And it's got this really cool, let me show you guys the horn. So that's pretty cool, air horn in there. And yeah, everything's cleaned out and ready for the new owner. It's been a real kind of fun project, but it was a bigger project than I originally thought it was going to be. And oh yeah, let me turn this fan on, move some fresh air into the camper too. So like I said, there's a lot to mention, a lot of things to talk about, and a lot of things went into this, and time and passion and pure talent. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick tour again on my YouTube channel. And if you like what you see, you can subscribe to my YouTube. You can see all my builds as they happen on my stories on my Instagram called Freedom Vessel. And I'm located in Southern California, and I vintage, renovate, restore, renew, whatever you want to call it. Cool campers, like just fun, vintage, unique motorhomes and trailers and stuff like that. And so stay tuned for more, and whoever wants to buy this one can reach out to me, and hope it finds a good home. Thanks, guys.